Bottles of gin and tequila.
Okay.
First thing we're gonna do in the truck is gonna be making kind of everything flat and straight.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Feel safe.
Yeah, so what happened, Bas?
Yeah, we almost died just now.
Well, nothing too special. Just was that the tarp on top of the roof that was holding all the is holding 2 bars and some boards, wooden boards. It just came off a bit. It felt like that we were dying, but in the end it was fine.
In the Netherlands we measure in cow power.
Look at all this food.
That one is cool, the white one. You're filming right now.
Yeah.
Ah! It's very religious here. No, it's not. So my dad owns a truck, a food truck company. He already has 2 different kind of trucks. So in here we have an ambulance. This is an old ambulance from 2001. We bought it last month, I think. No, last 2 weeks or something. 2 weeks ago. And yeah, the idea is now that we are transforming this truck to a food truck. And last week we already did some work. I guess we can show some footage as well. The coming.
No.
I guess we can place in the first movie, because behind here you see a very open wall. We cut out the wall. Quite well.
So.
Just needed one more centimeter or something. So Bas made a box around the gas tanks. He made a little floor, so that's even. A fridge will go on top here. I grinded off these 2 spots. I removed the profile where the wiring was in, removed some kits, some cleaning. That's what we did today. Next week we're gonna work on the lighting. At least that's Wednesday. Sunday, not sure yet, but we will definitely be back here and brief you in again next week.